Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. Sorry I have been so MIA lately. Think I have been like almost 2 weeks. Thing is that two things. I've been working like crazy. Most of you knows that I work in the hospital, and I might sound repetitive, but yeah, I've been working way too many days in a row that limits my time. And the other thing is that I'm working on my beauty room to give you a best layout for my videos. So I'll be showing you what I have come with, and that way you know exactly what I've been up to. So if you would like to know how my beauty room is turning out from, not from when I started because I don't have a video on that, but I'll give you a glimpse of what I used to do. Then keep on watching. Also, if you like this kind of video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. That way when I upload a video, you guys will be notified. So stay tuned and let's get rolling. Okay, so when you enter, I have a door right here, which I'm going to show you. My door is right here. So when you enter, the room is not that big. So I'm going to show you the setup where I used to have my camera, which I film with my phone. So everything was in, actually it was here with that mirror in the corner. That mirror I'm going to be painting today. I got that mirror from somebody that threw it out. So it was completely free to me. Then this bookcase right here was in this corner. And then I have a closet here, which I put some fabric. It's a curtain, that way it will help me out, but I wanted a different setup, so then I shifted the bookcase to the side, and then I have this table here that I purchased at Beauties. I think I purchased for $9. The only thing that I have is that all my makeup stuff, it's in the drawers here. I have to paint my desk again. I'm planning, don't know yet if I want to paint this desk a different color, because keeping it white and with the makeup and everything else, now after I paint it, I'm going to test it out again, because after I paint it, I should make all the mess in here. So let's show you what I have. Let me skip boxes. So this is what I have here. I use all the brushes. I have all the brushes and everything that I use. Then I need a space for all my jewelry, so that's where this $10 thing from Walmart comes into handy. I already had this. This was where I used to, when some of my previous or earlier onset videos, I used to have a backdrop, but and I used to do that. I used to use this. I don't have soft boxes, so I have this DIY ones that I use, and that's what I use to create my videos. And this is the lighting, the ring light that I have. My husband gave it to me for Christmas. So this is the setup that I have. This is all the products that I use. These are most Sephora testing products, brushes. What I am most in love with is this Morphe setting spray, and I have everything else. All the stuff on this side is what I use every single day, my highlighter brushes and everything else. Then I have here a chair that I fixed myself because it was out in the streets. And then I always have a towel when you're a YouTuber or you're filming and then you need to wipe your hands. That's when this towel comes in handy. And then on this side, sorry that my desk is so dirty, but I can't take that out even with makeup wipes, so I have to repaint the desk. So I have my Thanksgiving stuff here. I don't celebrate Halloween. I'm painting that today, and then I have all my makeup there. I have a shelf up here. I'm planning to paint this wall a deeper color, and then that brackets you will not see because I will be painting those as well. And then I have, this is where I create or my storage area. So wake up and makeup or bathe cave. This room, that's what it actually is. And then I have here like little displays and everything else. And on the bottom is things that I always carry. This side, this is supposed to go in the closet. That's an air mattress. I have family over, so I have to pack that in or put it away. My sewing machine. I was planning to film a video, and I started to film a video that I was going to use this backdrop, and I didn't like how it was covering. And then I have a corner where my jewelry box is with pretty much all the stuff that I have, minus what's up there. So on the box I have like pretty much the bracelets that goes with what I have there, and then I have a big hamper. So this that you see here is that I have to spray paint. I have to spray paint the stuff for the mirror. So as soon as the room is set up, I'll keep you guys posted. That's my trash can and everything else. So yeah, that's what I'm working in. I'm starting to work 4 more days. I'll be working for the next 4 days, so I want to make sure that I film at least 2 videos today and then the rest of the videos throughout the week. That way I don't go MIA again for you guys, but I'm trying to do a setup in this room that it will work and it will be easier for me to film and everything else. But as soon as I cover the mirror, which is behind me, and it looks cute and everything else, then I'll bring you in so you can see the final result. I might put, I don't know, I feel like doing something extra for that mirror, so I'll keep you posted. Stay tuned for the finished result. Okay guys, so finally I am done setting my room. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna show you what I have and what I did, and hopefully this space right now will be suitable for me to upload and film more videos. So here we go. So as soon as you walk in the room, this is how you're gonna see it. I have my 2 storage. They're like hampers, but I'm using that as storage, and I have most of my jewelry there. And this is the stand that I was talking that it was on the other side. I painted my desk, and somehow I thought it was white, but it's like the same paint of my wall color, which is a very, very light gray, and I am loving it. I also painted the mirror. I was gonna put jewels, but I don't have time. I have to work tonight, and I don't want to like overdo in doing things for the room. But this is the setup that you will see now on my screen, and then that's the window, and this is the area that I was talking about that I created just for filming purposes. And then what's dangling there are all my jewelry, my necklaces that they have a house. Let me show you how they look. It's a hanger, and then you could place all your jewelry and earrings and so forth. So I think that's an easier way for me to just separate everything. All those things were in this box that one of my students gifted me, but I'm keeping like treasure most important things for me because that box is very important. And yeah, so this is the room. Now I'm like very, very organized in a way that now I can film more videos. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like these videos like that, gives me a thumbs up, and comment below what was your best area of my room that you liked. And yeah, the other thing behind me, remember that this area, the shelving, it was like a mauve tone. I painted that the same color that I paint the mirror, so that's why it looks more cohesive just as the wall. But I'm excited to create more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Know that I love you so much. Nos vemos. God bless you all. Bye bye.